Alright. Welcome to the Daily Decrypt by XT.com. I'm your host for the most of the days, Marcus. And behind the scenes, making this thing all happen, again, as usual, it's Riza. Riza, say hi to our XT.com fam.
Hey, what's up? What's going on?
What's going on? Well, I got two news articles from our folks from XT News, who have been curating and collating and doing all that magical stuff behind the scenes at XT News and XT Academy. So, I'll tell you what. I will start with the first article, as usual. It's from the Investor Place. Interesting. Never heard of it, but hey, now I know. Now you know too, sir.
Yep.
The article title is 7 Cryptos to Watch as the Blockchain Gets an Upgrade. Interesting. In relation to, the Ethereum merge, all that jazz. So, Riza,
yeah.
do you want to guess which are the 7 blockchains, 7 cryptos to watch as Ethereum, as the blockchain gets an upgrade? Any idea? I know it's a long shot, but hey, give it a try.
Polygon? Matic?
No.
Clueless.
Clueless. No worries. Look, even if I was in your position, guys, I'll be clueless as well, because according to this article, once there's a quote: "The merge could lift digital assets, but it's also no guarantee." Not sure what the context from this guy from Investor Place. His name is Josh Inomoto. Interesting name. Okay. So the 7 cryptos to watch apparently is Bitcoin. Haha. Right. According to one analyst, Bitcoin needs to adapt or die. Wow. Ethereum. Experts project a $3,000 price point for Ethereum. Interesting. I like to know who are these experts. Tether, USDT. Tether represents a key barometer of sentiment for cryptos, which I think I might agree with it. I mean, I'm a USDT kind of guy. I know, Riza, are you a USDT or USDC or true USD? What are you?
Actually, I'm more of a USDC guy.
USDC? Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Nice, okay, fair enough. Yeah. The fourth one is Cardano, ADA, a proof-of-stake pioneer. Cardano recently printed a strong performance. Okay. Next one is your favorite, Riza, Solana. An improved Ethereum network could create competition for Solana. Interesting quote. Next one is Chainlink. Conversely, utility-driven Chainlink could complement the merge.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. True. I mean, is it correct to say that Chainlink is an oracle, right?
Yeah.
In terms of cool. All right. Sorry, Riza. I would love for you to kind of explain in the most simplest form for our new people who are joining XT.com. What is an oracle? How would you word it? I know it's a little bit complicated, but
Yeah, I think the simplest way is you can use blockchain and get real data from the real world using Chainlink.
Okay, so that's what an oracle. That's what basically an oracle is. It's trying to get basically connecting the information to one place to another and verifying the truth of it, right? In a sense.
Yeah.
Okay. And the last one, which is a very strange one, it's Shiba Inu.
Okay.
Because here's what they say: in a strange way, Shiba Inu could be a hedge against merge ambiguities.
Okay.
Interesting. Honestly, they haven't explained that part. That's why we are here to figure that out. But I guess I guess the way Shiba Inu has been performing, in some way I'm sort of like a hater towards Shiba Inu, but I do have to admit they do have a big community. There is incredible support for Shiba Inu. It's still there. It's not. I don't know. It's not going to disappear anytime soon. So, again, I'll do admit that there's a lot of things I am ignorant about Shiba Inu. I guess just because I am sort of deterrent against meme coins in some sense.
Yeah.
But anyways, let me go through the article. So within the realm of cryptos, all eyes have been focused on the digital asset commanding the second biggest market capitalization. Obviously, they're talking about Ethereum, which previously ran on a consensus mechanism called proof of work and is now set to transition to an exponentially more efficient protocol called proof of stake. Though the event, called the merge, could transform virtual currencies, it represents massive risks. And for investors, I have picked, this person has picked 7 cryptos to watch as this major upgrade is implemented. So basically the 7 cryptos we just talked about is just something for you guys to watch out for. All right, just pay attention, that's it. So, hold up, gotta give a disclaimer, Reza. This is just for entertainment purposes only. This is not financial advice, so don't blame on us or blame Riza especially. All right, so this is for education and entertainment purposes. Edutainment, that's what the Daily Decrypt is all about. So anyway, now I've given that disclaimer. Is there anything else I need to disclaim, Riza, before we go forward?
Actually, that's maybe one more thing. As always, do your own research. Even though they're saying these 7 tokens and coin could be watched, but yeah.
Sure, cool. Thank you, Riza. Thank you, Riza. Let's move forward, people. Come on. All right. So on paper, the merge should be a boon for cryptos. Like any technical invention, the pivot to POS represents the constant search for improvement. Perhaps most prominently, a blockchain transitioning to POS would spark greater resource usage efficiencies, a key concern these days, depending on who you talk to. But anyway, I will set my thoughts aside. However, the merge isn't a guarantee for upside in cryptos. I think we can agree to that.
Yeah.
Indeed, the event could cripple the sector, according to the New York Times. I mean, who really takes New York Times seriously? I don't know. Maybe. Okay, it's flying the jet and changing the engine in the sky. That's from Chandler Guo, a crypto industry veteran who leads a group opposing the merge. I kind of like this guy. Because he says this. It's very difficult. It's very dangerous. I think I can be in alignment with him. So, as you know, the dates have shifted. The latest information suggests that merge will happen on September 15th. If so, here are the cryptos to watch, which we have mentioned below. So, in this article, they go quite in detail. So, I'm not. I don't want to take much of your time, because again, there's just too much of technical information. I don't think it's necessary at this time, but I would love to revisit the previous points me and Riza has covered in the previous Daily Decrypt episodes, where we still are not sure what is really going to happen. Is it going to be scalable? Is it going to lower transaction fees? That's my point of view as a crypto simpleton.
Sure.
All right, so Riza, is there anything else we have to point out, or is there something I'm missing?
I haven't been a lot lately, but I'm also curious, after the merge, what will happen with L2s?
Okay, layer 2. Okay, gotcha. All right.
So yeah, maybe I should do a little bit more reading.
All right. Could you just go maybe like one layer deeper? Why you're concerned?
Essentially, L2s are piggybacking the L1s, right?
Sure. Okay.
Like
right.
the polygons. That's why I mentioned polygon.
Gotcha. Yeah. Okay.
So I'm kind of curious, once ETH becomes like fully proof of stake, is there any changes? Will there be any changes or things like that?
Okay.
What will happen to Arbitrum and yeah.
Oh right. Okay. You got Arbitrum, you got Optimism.
Yeah.
There's so many other layer 2s out there. So yeah. Oh man, that's a good point. So, but just remember what Riza just said earlier. Like all these layer 2s, end of the day, their foundation is on layer 1.
Yeah.
So if you're let's go back to some golden stories, right? If your foundation is weak, everything else will fall apart. So if you're building a house, you want to build a house on a strong foundation. So I would have to go back to this guy named Chandler Guo, G-O. I apologize, I don't know what's the correct pronunciation, but I have to agree to the sentiment that it is kind of dangerous. It's like flying a jet and you're changing the engine in the sky, right? There's too much going on. So I'll be honest, I don't know, but I'm kind of curious to know the other people in the space. Many of them are all talking about the merge, right? It's such a hot topic, but I'm sort of pessimistic in this arena. So we will have to find out. So anyways, we are done with this article. We got the next article. This article, the second one, the last one for today, the title is Venture Capitals, well, VCs, pour $14.2 billion into crypto in the first half of 2022, this year. But investments now slowing down. Interesting. All right, this is from Cointelegraph. Someone by Braden Lindrier. Sorry about it. But Braden sounds like a cool name. Brayden. Interesting. Basically, this info is coming from the KPMG report. KPMG is one of the large, consulting groups in the world. Like your Boston Consulting Group, KPMG, who Ernst & Young. They kind of fall in that category. So, venture capital firms poured $14.2 billion into cryptos across 725 deals in the first half of 2022. That I didn't expect that. But the Big Four accounting firm KPMG predicts investments will likely slow for the remainder of the year. So here we go. This report just released actually yesterday.
Okay.
Right? The largest investments in H1 2022 came from German-based crypto trading platform Trade Republic, $1.1 billion. Then you got digital asset custody platform Fireblocks, $550 million. Crypto exchange FTX. Sam Friedman is doing a lot of work, $500 million. And Ethereum software company Consensus, $450 million. Consensus. I'm surprised. Man, you guys I didn't see that coming. So according to this report, the author of the report, his name is Anton Rudenklav. He's the global leader of fintech for KPMG. Noted the investment figures alone are already more than double all years prior to 2021, which highlights the growing maturity of the space and the breadth of technologies and solutions attracting investment. Interesting, but however, Rudenklav said that over-investment during the record-breaking 2021 and the first half of this year, along with looming potential recession, we saw that coming, Riza. We saw that coming. Rising inflation, not surprised. Interest rates, and they have to mention about the Russia-Ukraine conflict would bring about a drop off in investment this year. So unfortunately, we have the chart here, but it's going to be a little difficult. But we will share the links below. So apparently, KPMG has a prediction. Wow, everybody is a prophet over here. So. Sorry, I'm a little snarky, my bad. KPMG prediction for crypto investment downturn appears to be already being borne out in data from July, with monthly inflows into blockchain venture capital market declining 43% in the month, according to Cointelegraph research. So, let's say, all right, oops, sorry, my laptop is acting kind of weird. Alright, so we have another guy from KPMG. He's the French director of blockchain and crypto assets for KPMG. Alexandre Stachenko. Gosh, these names, I'm sorry, man. I apologize. Anyways, well-managed crypto companies with healthy risk management policies, long-term vision, and strong cost and risk management approach will best position themselves to survive the current bear market. nothing wrong with that. I agree with it.
Yeah. So,
Rizzo, what do you think?
I agree.
Okay, cool. Now, this is a quote from him. Of course, some cryptos will die out, particularly those that don't have clear and strong value propositions. I think that's something I know Rizzo has mentioned earlier before, that could actually be quite healthy from an ecosystem point of view, because it'll clear away some of the mess that was created in the euphoria of the bull market. The best companies will be the ones that survive.
Yeah.
So yeah, anyways, let me just finish this one. So Satenko, he added that financial institutions have become increasingly interested in blockchain infrastructure solutions and stablecoins to capitalize on the operational advantages of DLT, distributed ledger technology. KPMG also expects further investment efforts in underdeveloped fintech markets, particularly in Africa. So, he ends this by saying that the efforts on this front have been made by crypto exchange Binance, which recently entered into early stage talks with the Nigerian government to build a crypto-friendly economic zone. Wow, okay. With the aim to generate long-term economic growth through digital innovation. So, just to take a few steps back, me and Rizzo, we have, I have talked about this earlier, also in the XT cast, where, we have seen the euphoria here with XT.com, a lot of projects, a lot of them have, a whole spectrum of value proposition. But as you know, if we study history, very few would survive. It's it shouldn't be a surprise to me or Rizzo or anyone here at XT.com or even the general public. So, this bear market that we are going through right now has washed away a lot of weak projects, a lot of weak hands. But if you're an investor, if you are trying to build yourself in this amazing space, this is the time to actually crypto and build.
Yeah.
That's my belief.
Yeah.
But anyways, Rizzo, I know you got some other insights to share. Is there anything else you want to kind of like talk about this bear market and with all these new projects coming up? Like,
currently not yet. So this is quite early morning. I'm still having my coffee.
oh, fair enough. Fair enough. Yeah. No,
Sorry, guys.
Yeah, no, it's okay. No, but I guess, look, I mean, this article is pretty interesting. You guys are also experiencing this as we speak. So, this is just a reminder for you guys that generally a lot of folks who see the bear market as this bad time. But if you have a change of mindset, this is actually could be a great opportunity for a lot of folks. I mean, not necessarily in the crypto space, but in many other industries too. So, and I also mentioned earlier too in the XT cast with some of my guests where, there's going to be a lot of opportunities in Africa, and that's the reason why XT.com has set its foundation here in Dubai, because definitely next year for sure, we're going to see a lot of talent, a lot of companies, a lot of growth from Africa. So you'll be the first to know. Stay tuned, and yeah, we will keep you guys abreast with all the exciting things, we raise and blaze on everything crypto and blockchain. So I think that's about it. I think I'm done yapping. I'm tired, and I, just like Rizzo, I need some coffee too. So Rizzo, before we go, any words of wisdom?
Yeah, don't resist the urge to merge.
All right, that's cool. Thank you so much. But anyways, guys, hey, welcome. Thanks for tuning in to the Daily Decrypt by XT.com. I'm your host with the most of the days, and also Rizzo behind the scenes. We really do appreciate y'all support and also some of your insights. So yeah, please show some love to us on our various social platforms. So we gotta go. We need some coffee. So y'all be good. Y'all be safe. We'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.
Bye-bye.